Tonight at the museum we're having Art After Dark, which is our monthly art party. And this year we're super excited to be partnering with the Hawaiian Airlines Bank of Hawaii World's Elite Mastercard team as our presenting sponsor for the event series. Today's theme is Can You Dig It? And it's all about sustainability. They have brought in Maika, who's a New York and Hawaii-based artist who's doing a big installation in our Mediterranean courtyard that is a tentacled creature made out of plastic bags intended to raise awareness around ocean sustainability.
I'm really happy to be back home, thanks to Hawaiian Airlines. It means a lot to have a sponsor that backs your mission. My entire art practice revolves around working with things that people consider garbage, to talk about ecology, to talk about consumption, to talk about those types of important things, and it's really nice to have a sponsor that backs a garbage artist.
Raw Elements has partnered with Hawaiian Airlines and Bank of Hawaii to found World Reef Day. Raw Elements is donating these bags that contain a sample of their product. Raw Elements has been ahead of the game in producing an organic and good quality, reef safe, as well as safe for human use sunscreen for many years.
We are so grateful to have been working with Hawaiian Airlines this year. They're a fantastic team of people to partner for this entire series of events. So we're working with them January through October on all of the events. They've also brought in their own creative energy and their partners to put on some really great activations and some really great activities for our guests. I think in terms of supporting the community, there's a lot of things that we have in common, and it's been really, really wonderful to be able to say we have an artist on site in part because of the Hawaiian Airlines partnership.